Jose Libeguirre here from Dr. Spotfire. In this quick tip video, I'm going to explain how the preprocessor syntax for document properties and the document property method are used in custom expressions. And this is a very common issue when you change the column name and then the custom expression doesn't update. So I'm gonna demonstrate how that works and how to fix it. Consider this oil and gas analysis where I have production data from all my different wells. I added a document property that represents the year, and I can filter my visualizations with the corresponding year. I have production data for multiple years and I can just switch. And the way it works is I am limiting the data on my visualizations with a specific custom expression. So if I go to data and look at the expression, I can see that I am using my column year and comparing with the document property year. And in this case, I'm using the preprocessor syntax. But what happens if I change the column with something else? So if I just change the column name with something more readable like year, then my visualizations break. In this case, my KPI and my line chart are gonna break. I'm gonna undo this and I'm gonna show you the proper way to address this. Okay, so now my column name is back to YYY, and I'm going to change the expressions that limits the data in these two visualizations. Now I can do that at once if I go to View, Visualizations Property Panel, and I can select my KPI. If I press and hold the Control key and I press the other visualizations, now I have two visualizations selected, my line chart and my KPI, and I can change the data limiting expression. So I am going to change that with this to avoid breaking my expression. If I, instead of using the preprocessor syntax, I use document property, and then I enclose my document property name with double quotes, then both of my visualizations are going to have the same data limiting. Now, it doesn't matter if I change the name now with year, my visualizations are not going to break because the custom expression was successfully replaced. And this happens because the preprocessor syntax uses or treats the document property as a string. It parses like a string, and this is useful when you are using strings, when you are using complex custom expressions within that document property, and that works very well. But it's better if you're using directly the custom expressions in combination with the column names. It's better to use the document property function because it's going to treat the document property as is, and it's going to preserve the data type. If you are dealing with dates or numbers, it's going to preserve that, and it's going to be easy to do the logical operations in your custom expressions. So thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next quick tip video.